All right, so now I've transferred all the items that I had from the last sale I sold in to this current sale. I now want to create new items. So I go up here to the blue bar and I click on Enter Items. And that takes me to this screen. Again, should look familiar if you've been in one of our sales before. So here you can select your price, and it's a minimum of $1. And let's see, I think a maximum of $999. Let's say I'm going to do a bunch of books. What I would usually do is I would usually organize my items. So I'll be working on all, the clothing, or I'll be working on toys or books, and I try and group things before I do the tagging in items that will be about the same price and the same description. It just makes it easier. You'll see in a second. So I'm going to do groups of books that I'm going to group them for a group of books, depending on what they are. The default is that the discount is checked on, and what that is that we have the last hour of the sale, items go on sale for 50% off if this is checked. So you'll see on your tag, it'll say discount, yes, or something like that. I forget at the moment, but anyway, something like that. That's 50% off. Now, you may not want to do that for all your items. You may not want to do it for any of your items. It's up to you. So say you have an item that's special to you, or maybe you have a large item that if it doesn't sell in the sale, you want to take it somewhere else and try to sell it at that price. You may not want to have the discount on. The next thing, donate, you'll notice that it's not an option. It's been disabled, and that's because at the time of this recording, we don't have a charity organization that we've partnered with to pick up items. So if we, before the sale, if we come to find a charity organization that wants to pick up donations, we will let you know, and then you'll still have to come and to your items, and we'll designate an area in the venue that you can move your items to, and that way, if you don't want them all donated, you choose what goes in there. And it could be that the charity organization won't take all donations. They may only take clothing, or they may not only take toys or something, and so we'll let you know. But anyways, that's why that's disabled. Sizes. We have put a bunch of sizes in here. You would select the size that best suits what you're selling. You'll notice we have a blank size that allows you to write in the size after the tag is printed. If you see that there is a size that you think should be there that's not there, please let me know. I'm always looking to improve the system. And then you put in your description. And you can have 2 lines of description here. Just make sure that you don't put a lot of capitals in, or that it's not really wordy. Keep it really short so that it fits on the tag properly. And then you select the category. And again, if you find a category that should be there and isn't, let me know. And I'll add that. We have a couple of, we have a blank category, and that's if you want to write the category in after you print the tag. We also have a miscellaneous. So, it's kind of a catch-all for everything that's not there. But if you see that you're using that a lot, you might want to let me know if there's something that should be in here. Anyways, there's book. And I'm going to create, say I know I have 10 bundles of books for $1. I'm going to create 10 tags like that, and then I can do them all at once. And then I just click on Add. And you'll see here that they've been given an item number. So the item number has started following the last item number I had on my stuff currently in inventory, or that I've printed out. Maybe it got sold, but I printed out, and there they all are. Now I can go and I can edit items. I can edit several items. Say I want to. No, apparently I can't do more than one item. Okay, I want to edit this one item. I want to say this is Goosebumps book or something like that. Update the item. There, it has Goosebumps. All right, and so that is how they're all added in there. And I can then go over to manage my items, and you can see those items have been added, all my books, my Goosebumps books. Now here I can select two, so I am now in the Manage Inventory page, not the Enter Items page. I can edit multiple items, and there's only some categories that I can edit. So if I want to, there's a check mark, and if here, okay, if I want to, on these ones, I want to select a price of $2. Now those two books are $2. All right, there you go. There's how you add your items.